Hello, everyone. Welcome. So today we're going to focus on getting a little movement into the spine. And also we're going to be doing a little bit of a mini back bend. And it also gets into the kidney meridians as well as the spine. And then we're going to move into a calming pose, Makrasana. So always listen to your body, listen to your breath. This is just a brief practice. And when you're ready, come on your mat and join me. So we're going to start first in table pose and just start to warm up the spine. So inhale a cow, arching, draw the heart forward, and exhale, find your cat. And you might just draw the belly in a little bit, maybe a very limited rounding or flexion, or you might choose to find more flexion. So listen to your body, listen to your breath. Moving with your breath and just warming up the spine. Inhale, cow, and exhale, cat. Notice how your spine feels. Moving with your breath. And then come back to a neutral table and make your way down onto your belly. So coming onto your forearms, bring your forearms parallel. Elbows are just about under your shoulders. And you can reposition your legs where they feel comfortable to you. You might sort of bring your feet so that you're on the tops of the feet. You can press into the tops of the toes if you would like. You might press the legs down into the mat and press your hands and forearms into the mat. Lengthen through your spine. Belly draws away from the mat. Shoulders away from the ears. So you want to think of lengthening through the spine, creating space between each vertebrae. And just gaze down towards the front of your mat or in between your thumbs. And the effort that you're doing here, pressing into your hands and arms and lengthening your spine and engaging the upper back, the shoulder girdle, it doesn't have to be a huge effort. So on a scale of 1 to 10, it might be like a 3. It doesn't have to be a lot. You decide. Breathe here. Maybe inviting the stillness of the Sphinx. Notice your breath. And if this is uncomfortable in any way or causes discomfort, you might need to adjust the position of your arms, bringing your elbows a little more forward. Try not to have them out too much because that doesn't provide a lot of stability, but you might need to adjust them slightly. And stay here for a few breaths. You can feel those muscles in between the shoulder blades active. And then whenever you're ready, widen your elbows, stack your hands, and rest your forehead on the back of your hands for Makrasana. Allow your body to completely release and relax with each exhale. You can invite your body to almost spread like water on your mat. Invite the body to relax and release a little bit more with each exhale. Forehead to the back of your hands. Make sure the neck feels comfortable. This is a great de-stressing position. Really allow the body to relax and release You can stay here as long as you would like. And when you're ready, you can lift your head, bring your hands under your shoulders, and slowly make your way back up to table and then to a comfortable seat. And just pause. Notice how you feel. You might close your eyes, tune into your breath, and maybe just bring your hands to your heart. Just thanking yourself for taking this time today for yourself, for practicing self-care and honoring how your body feels. Thank you for joining me today for this mini de-stressing practice. I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.